Hey, what is up guys? Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we are checking out LG's brand new range of speakers, the PK series. Today we're going to be looking at the PK3, the 5 and also the 7, and as you can see, the higher the number, the better the speaker. So, let's take a look. Starting off with the looks, and both the 5 and 7 look very similar, but obviously one is a little bit bigger than the other. The 5 comes in at around £90 and the 7 you're looking at around £120 here in the UK, but I'll have them all linked in the description down below. But if you don't want to spend that much, you can go down to the PK3 at around £60. But keep in mind that if you go down to the PK3, you're going to miss out on the really awesome RGB lighting that you're going to get on the bigger and slightly more expensive speakers, but all of the speakers that you see here can all be controlled with the LG Music Flow application, which is a really great way to actually tune in the specific sound that you want, and you can also use it as a music player if you've got any music stored directly on your device. And speaking of controls, you've got some really tactile buttons along the top, as you can see here. You've also got a battery indicator light, power on, Bluetooth, volume up and down, which can be used to skip forwards and backwards on the tracks, play pause, an assistant button, clear voice and also enhanced bass, but keep in mind that on the PK3, for some reason you don't have the clear voice option. And something that I really like is the PK3 and 5 charge via USB Type-C, so if you do have a newer device, for example, that uses that charging method, you can use your cable on these smaller speakers. However, the 7 does have a dedicated DC input, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. However, once all of these speakers are charged, you can unplug them and take them out and about wherever you need to go. And the battery life is going to vary from around 12 hours on the 3 all the way up to 22 hours or pretty much all day on the 7. One thing that doesn't vary depending on the model, which I really like, is that they all come with Meridian technology built right into the speakers. Now, to put it simply, this is a really awesome tech that just enhances the sound of any speakers, and to have this from the 3 all the way up to the 7 is a really great option, and like I say, it just really enhances the music listening experience. Well, at least that's what the website says, but take my word for it, they definitely sound good. So, as always, let's do a very quick sound test of the 3, 5 and 7 to see exactly how good they sound. Now, as always guys, this is going to be music streaming from my Google Pixel XL2 to the speaker, through my microphone, through my editing software, and then also through YouTube's compression. So again, take it with a pinch of salt, but if you do want to try these speakers out, I would definitely recommend doing so in store so you can see exactly which speaker is going to suit your needs.
No worries, no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye. Like, ooh, feel the speed. Release me, I'm moving on. Feel the speed of my ride.
So with regards to the sound test, I'm going to leave that down to you guys to say which speaker sounded best. However, for me, it's pretty much bass, bass, bass. So the smaller speaker itself sounds a little bit tinny but can get very loud. The mid-range speaker, the PK5 in my opinion, is the best in terms of overall sound. And then the 7 is extremely bass heavy, but hey, if you're into that, then go for it. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now if you enjoyed the content, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions or comments about LG's new range of speakers, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass, and also check out my last video on the LG ThinQ Smart Speaker, which has Google Assistant baked in and is a really awesome option if you want some great sound and some smart features included. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and again, once you're subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.